To remove front bumper cover in your Kia Niro first generation, follow these steps. 1. Loosen the radiator upper cover mounting bolts and clips. 2. Loosen the front bumper lower mounting clips. 3. After loosening the clips and screw on the side of front bumper assembly, A. Detach the side part of front bumper assembly. When you pull out the front bumper assembly, the side part of the front bumper assembly could be damaged by the projection. 4. Press the lock pin and separate the front bumper main connector, A. 5. Remove the front bumper assembly. Radiator grille replacement. 1. Remove the front bumper. To complete this step, watch the first part of the video. 2. Remove the front bumper wiring, A. 3. Remove the front bumper energy absorber, A. 4. After loosening the mounting screws, remove the radiator grille upper cover, A. 5. After loosening the mounting screws, remove the radiator grille. 6. To install, reverse the removal procedure. Replace any damaged clips or pin-type retainers. Front bumper beam replacement. 1. Remove the front bumper. To complete this step, watch the first part of the video. 2. Remove the horn. First, disconnect the connector A from the horn. Then, remove the horn after loosening the mounting bolt. 3. Remove the front radar. To complete this step, follow these actions. Disconnect the connector A from the front radar unit. Remove the front radar unit after loosening the mounting bolts. 4. Remove the VES speaker. To remove the virtual engine sound speaker, follow these actions. Disconnect the VES unit and speaker assembly connector, A. Remove the VES unit and speaker assembly, A, by loosening the bolts as shown in the image. 5. Remove the front bumper assembly.
I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.